Hey you guys, I welcome you guys back to my channel. This is Alicia's Kitchen. So in today's video guys, I'll be making this super moist banana bread. Now let's bake. So okay y'all, in this bowl I have my flour, nutmeg, baking soda, cinnamon and salt. And in this one here I have both my sugars, which is my granulated and brown sugar, and we have our melted butter, egg, and our main ingredient, the banana. So guys, you just want to peel your bananas and break them into small pieces. Okay guys, so I wanted to mash my bananas by hand using this whisk, but I realized that it was a bit difficult, so I just use my mixer instead. Guys, use your mixer. It's so much easier, okay? Don't be like me. So you're going to mix both the bananas and your sugar together, and you're going to mix that for about a minute. Okay, so now that we've reached the desired consistency, we're just going to add all the other ingredients. Both are dry and liquid. And you're just going to mix that until it's fully incorporated. But do not overmix it, guys. And all the ingredients will be listed down in the description below. So I'm going to pour the batter in a grease loaf pan, and you're going to bake that for about 30 to 35 minutes until you insert a toothpick and it comes out clean. And guys, very important note, you want to allow it to cool before you start cutting it, because it's just going to break and fall apart. So now I'm just cutting into my bread, and guys, when I tell you, this bread was so moist, it was amazing, it was delicious. I'm not that a big fan of banana bread, but I'm not lying, this was amazing. I'm definitely gonna be doing this again, but this time I'll probably do the chocolate and banana bread, chocolate banana bread. Yeah, but I thank you guys once more for stopping by. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much for watching.